The quick way to put your Android phone on Vibrate is through the quick settings. Swipe down from the top right corner, and then next to the volume slider, you can tap the speaker icon. Tapping that will cycle between sound on, vibrate mode, and a full mute. If your phone has the quick settings combined with your notifications, you can swipe down with 2 fingers to access this full settings panel. That's really it, but I do have a few pro tips for you folks who like to keep your phone on Vibrate. If you go to Settings and then tap Sounds and Vibration, you can actually customize how your vibrations feels. On the top, you'll see the toggle for vibrate mode, and depending on your phone model, you'll usually see some additional options down below. Samsung, for example, allows you to adjust the system vibration intensity, and you can toggle certain type of vibration either on or off. This is the vibration slider for your user interface. If we go back, there's a separate slider for vibration intensity, which controls the vibration for things like phone calls, alerts, etc. Some phones will also have an option for vibration sound for incoming calls. Mine doesn't have it, but that feature will use your phone's speakers to mimic a buzzing sound, so you can hear it even if the phone is on a soft surface like a bed. Some Pixel phones also have a cool feature called Adaptive Alert Vibration, which you'll find in the vibration settings. It automatically lowers the vibration strength when your phone is flat on a hard surface, reducing that annoying rattling sound when you have your phone on a desk. That's all I got. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.